In this video, I'm going to show you how to make high quality videos on TikTok. By the way, it's available for Android and iPhone, so it will be helpful for both platforms. So firstly, I don't suggest you to make videos in the TikTok, so it will be better for you to shoot in on the camera on your device, and after that edit it in somewhere, for example in CapCut. By the way, I have a lot of tutorials about it. So the next step is just to do, all we need is just to upload it in the highest quality. So to do this, we need to change two settings in our TikTok account. So open the TikTok and then go to your profile. After that, we need to open our settings, which is really important. And to do this, we need to find the this button in the right top corner, these three lines, and click on it. And after that, we need to open settings and privacy. And then just to scroll down to find cache and cellular window. And now we need to open the data saver option and make sure that this option is turned off, so it will be easier for your device to upload videos in the highest quality. So then just close the window, and now all we need is just to click on plus to edit the new video. So then just choose the video, and after that we just need to go to next, and here we can edit our post, and then just make sure that the allow high quality uploads option is turned on here in the bottom of these options, so like this. If it is like in a gray color, you just need to click on it to make it green, so this option will be turned on. And after that, the TikTok will upload your video in the highest quality which is possible. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write a comment. Goodbye.